Today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Confluence super quickly and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to shift your workspace into a much more comfortable, eye-friendly environment, perfect if you're someone who spends hours collaborating on docs or managing projects, especially late into the night. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together, making sure you not only know what to do, but why doing it this way really matters. First, let's get started by finding your profile menu. Look up at the top right corner of your Confluence navigation bar. You'll see your profile picture up there. Maybe it's your face or just an initial depending on your setup. Go ahead and give that a click. Why start here? Well, think of your profile as your personal headquarters in Confluence. It's where you can change settings that affect only you, not the whole team. So don't worry about changing everyone's view. We're only customizing your own experience. Once you've clicked on your avatar, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. In this menu, look for an option called Theme. Sometimes this can hide further down in the list, so don't rush past it. The theme option is your ticket to customizing how Confluence looks just for you. If you're new to using themes, they're essentially collections of colors and visual tweaks that make the platform either easier on the eyes or just a bit more fun to use. Click on Theme and now you'll see a few different choices pop up. Here, where you get to choose how you want Confluence to look every time you log in. The options usually include dark, match browser, and sometimes light as well. Let's break these down together so you pick what suits you best. If you pick dark, Confluence will instantly swap out its usual bright white backgrounds for deep, dark tones, and your text will shift to a lighter color. This is fantastic for those long editing sessions or if you just prefer less glare on your screen. It's a bit like swapping out a bright sunlit room for a cozy, softly lit workspace, so much easier on the eyes, especially if you're working at night or in dim surroundings. Then there's Match Browser. This option is clever. It will automatically sync Confluence's appearance with your browser or even your whole computer's dark or light mode settings. So if you're the kind of person who switches your device to dark mode after sunset, Confluence will follow suit all by itself. It's basically set and forget, no more toggling the theme every time your system switches. Super handy. The light mode is the classic high-contrast look most Confluence users are familiar with. It's crisp and clear and keeps everything easy to read, but if you've never tried dark mode before, give it a shot. You might be surprised at just how much more comfortable it is, especially if you use Confluence for extended periods. Once you've picked your theme, the change should take effect instantly. Don't be alarmed if your screen flickers or looks a little different at first. Your eyes will adjust, and trust me, most people find it makes a real difference in comfort. And just remember, you can switch back at any time if you're not loving the dark look. And there you have it. Enabling dark mode in Confluence is really that simple, and it can have a huge impact on your day-to-day comfort and productivity. If you found this walkthrough useful, hit that like button to let me know, and if you have any questions or want more tips like this, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, helpful tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.